What do we got here? We got a box that's been bedazzled.
I'm gonna text Mom.
You're gonna text Mama? You're gonna tell her we're gonna use a 3D printer?
Okay. We're going to use a 3D printer.
We're gonna use a 3D printer.
We did it!
Today on Rue and Dadda, we're gonna 3D print a heart-shaped what? Box.
Ah!
That's right. Alright, so this is the heart-shaped box we're gonna print. And tell them what we're gonna do to the box afterwards. Tell them.
We're going to move it.
We're gonna move it and then we're gonna bedazzle the box. We're gonna bedazzle it. What do we have to bedazzle it? We have what? Like on your crown, what are those called?
Dazzle.
Bedazzle. We're gonna bedazzle with jewels.
Yay!
We got jewels. We got purple jewels. We got red jewels, yellow jewels.
Jewels. Look at me, some jewels. That's heart jewels.
Heart? No, we don't have any heart jewels. I know. Well, we can take those ones out. You want to take those ones out? No?
Nothing.
Okay. Wait. Where's my USB drive? Okay. So this is a USB drive, and what do we do with this?
I don't know.
We're gonna hit save to removable disk. Let's do that. Save. Eject. Okay. Now let's go upstairs. Come on, let's go upstairs. Let's go.
Come on. Okay. Here's the stairs and oh.
And what is this called? An SD drive.
An SD drive.
Good job. Okay, where do we put it? Show everybody where it goes. Come here. Oh gosh, girl. Right there. You heard it click? Okay. Dada, come here. Show everybody where the file is. So come here. We're gonna go to print. There it is, heart_box. We're gonna hit box, and then we're gonna hit print. Okay. But first, we gotta do an adjustment real quick. We're gonna turn the fan off. Print speed is gonna stay at 100. Nozzle temp. Hotbed temp. Let's do hotbed temp. 65. Okay. Okay, so now it's gonna warm up. That's warming up. Okay. All right. We're gonna get this thing going. Once it starts printing, it's gonna take a minute. It's gotta calibrate. Yes, you can play with Play-Doh. And tell them we'll be back in a jiff. Smile. Say hey, and we're back.
Hey, and we're back.
Okay, show them what's going on. Okay, tell them we're gonna see you in a couple of hours when it's almost done.
Wait. Ta-da!
Who painted that for you?
My dad.
Who's that?
Yusuf.
This guy. And oh, don't fall. Oh, do you love it? Did you help me? You helped me. You did good. High five. We'll see you in 5 hours. Say, we'll see you in 5 hours.
See you in 5 hours. Bye.
All right, quick update on our heart-shaped box. It's been about 2 hours. What do you think? Does it look awesome?
Yeah, but that one just looked like a waffle.
It looks like a waffle?
Right there, it looked like waffle.
That's called the infill.
It looked like the waffle.
Say infill. Infill. That's the infill to make it nice and what? Strong, right? We don't want it just to break, do we?
No.
We want it strong, so we're gonna have some infill. We don't want it solid plastic, right? Because that would take forever. So we'll see you tomorrow. Next time you see this, it's gonna be all done, right?
Yeah.
All right, and we'll see you tomorrow. action. Good morning. What did we do last night? We printed a heart-shaped box, and we're about to see it for the first time. Let's go. It's the next day, and it's been printing all night. And how does it look?
Ta-da!
Whoa! Whoa!
Look at the finger there.
Oh.
Oh my God, guys!
Whoa! Okay. Ooh, look how tiny it is. Whoa! It's so small and pretty. Let's see. We can take it off.
Yay.
We got it. That was easy, huh?
I know.
That was easy peasy. All right, here, hold it.
Easy.
Hold it.
Not hot.
Nope, it's not hot. Cool down already.
Yeah. Can I take it off right here?
Yeah. Boom. And then wait, don't break it off from there. Break it off from this part. Oh, there you go.
There we go. Look at this heart-shaped box.
We gotta clean it up a little. You wanna clean it up?
Yes.
All right, let's clean it up.
It looks so cute. Let's put some jewels on it.
Open it, open it.
Okay.
Open it. Let's see. Whoa, what can you put in here? What do you want to put in here?
Wait, let's put some jewels first.
You want to put some jewels first?
Yeah, we'll put some jewels on.
What kind of things can you put in there?
Okay.
I'm going to clean it up for you guys. Look. See, look at the design.
I love it.
Look.
It's all clean.
Almost. Look, it's just coming off. And look how pretty it is now. Look how pretty it is now. Sit down, silly. What do you think?
Now let's put some jewels on.
You want to put some jewels on it?
Yeah, let's
All right,
put some
let's
jewels on it. Let's put some jewels. Let's put some.
Let me see.
I got a jewel.
Okay, put the jewel. Put one jewel on.
Okay.
Where are you gonna put it? Nice. Oh, cool. Look at you got your little super kitty. Yeah. And what else do we got? We got some rings to put in there and some jewelry. Look at the rings that we got. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, it's a wolf. It's a wolf ring. Whoa.
It looks like a lion to me.
It looks like a lion. Does a lion go ruff ruff or does it go rawr?
No. Ow!
That's a wolf. That wolf does that. Whoa, look at this cool ring. Show everybody that necklace you got. Let's see that necklace. Yeah, that's so cool. All right, so we used all these jewels. Woo! And we're gonna put them. Wait, do you think we have enough room to put more on? I don't know. Is it done? Are we done?
Oh, there's no more room.
There's no room for more jewels?
No.
All right, I think that's it. I think we're done. This is the coolest project we've ever done so far, right? Is it cooler than... What's your doll's name?
Kindle.
Kendall disagrees. Kendall thinks the chair is still cooler because she's just lounging in the chair. Burr, 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 burr. All right, girl. Let's call this one done. Let's high five.
Woo!
Awesome. All right. And look at this one more time. This cool heart-shaped box that we did. Isn't that cool? All right.